Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add music to Facebook post. First, open the Facebook mobile app. You can only add music to stories using the mobile app. This feature is not available in a desktop browser. You can download the Facebook app for free from the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPad or iPhone. Then tap the What's on Your Mind text field. Doing this will open a Create Post window. And tap Photo or Video. It's at the top of the list below the post preview. It's next to a green icon that resembles a stack of photos. This displays all your photos and videos from your camera roll or gallery. Alternatively, if you want to add music to a post without photo, tap Music at the bottom of the list of options. This will create a post with an image of the album cover the song is from. Now, select a photo. You can select any photo you want to use for your post and tap Edit. It's in the upper left corner of the image preview. This will display some options for editing the photo. And then, tap the Music Notes. This icon is at the top of the page. This displays a list of artists. And select a song. You can use the search bar at the top of search for the name of a song of artist. Tap a song to select it and add it to your picture. Songs that have the lyrics label will display the lyrics to the song in the post. To preview a song, tap the play triangle icon to the right. And customize the music. Select a song segment. You can swipe left or right in the highlighted box at the bottom of the screen to adjust what segment of the song you want to use. You can use 20 seconds of the song when posting a picture with music. Use the A icons to display the lyrics, if there are any, in a few different fonts on the picture. You can also tap a few different label options to display the album cover, song title, and artist name. To change the color of the lyrics text, tap the color wheel at the top of the page and select a color. Then, tap Done. It's in the upper right corner. This will add your music to the post. You can now tap and drag to adjust where the label or lyrics text appears in the post. And then, edit the post and tap Done. You can use the icons at the top of the page to tag people in your post and add stickers, text, or doodles. You can also use the icons in the lower left corner to crop the picture or add effects. When you are finished editing the photo, tap Done in the upper right corner. Last, tap Post. This posts the photo with music to your Facebook feed. Others can listen by tapping the play icon in the lower right corner of the album cover. People using a computer will be prompted to use the Facebook app for Android, iPhone, or iPad to listen to the song. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.